my dear beloved people, let me congratulate International Yoga Day 2021. Yoga is believed to have originated in India thousands of years ago. PM Narendra Modi, in a speech on 27 September 2014 at the United Nations General Assembly, highlighted yoga. International Yoga Day 2021 will be observed on June 21st across the globe. According to UN General Assembly, the theme for International Yoga Day 2021 is Yoga for Well-being. Yoga assumed great significance during the COVID-19 pandemic and has emerged as a global trend. Our AP Model School Sativada students and our staff members practicing yoga regularly. You also practice it. All the best. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Hi friends, I am Joshna. I am studying 9th class in AP Model School Satvada. I do the asanas. The first asana name is Vrikshasana. The Vrikshasana how to do? First you stand up straightly and keep your hand mudra of Namaste, spine straightly, place foot of inner thigh, push knee. This is the Vrikshasana. Vrikshasana benefits: it strengthens to legs and opens to hips, tones to leg muscles, promotes balance. It helps and improves the ability of focus and alertness and concentration. This is the second asana. Hastapadasana. First of all, keep your legs straight and bend forward. Bend your head down and fold your elbows and rest your hands on your feet. This is the Hastapadasana. This is the benefits of Hastapadasana. It gives the strength of the muscles of your body. It increases the blood supply. It is good for the nervous system.
Balasana or child's resting pose is kneeling asana in modern yoga as exercise. Balasana stretches and strengthens the muscle of hips, thighs and ankles. It also helps in reducing stress and fatigue by increasing blood circulation in the body.
Steps of Tadasana. Stand on your mat. Your hands should be alongside your body. Interlock our fingers. Raise your hands and heels. Stand on our chairs. Feel our body stretching. Benefits of Tadasana. Strengthens thighs, knees and ankles with the increased strength, power and mobility in the feet, legs and hips. It will make you feel refreshed and rejuvenated. Benefits of Padmasana. Increases awareness of body and breathing. Increases concentration. Increases blood circulation in abdominal area. Corrects spinal irregularities. Providing good stretch to the legs.
My name is B. Akhil. I am studying 10th class in APM Satyawada. Today we will learn some yoga asanas. First yoga asana is Paschimottanasana. Second asana is Sampurna Bhujangasana. Third asana is Ustrasana. Next asana is Vimanasana. Virabhadrasana. This asana is very useful for body stretchability, body activeness and physical fitness. And this asana is very rare asana in
First loose your body and take right leg with right hand and fold it slowly. And then take left leg with left hand and fold it. Then put your hands like this. Take breath slowly and release it slowly. Benefits of the Vajrasana. Vajrasana helps in ablutions and digestion. Sitting in Vajrasana will ensure obstruct blood flow to the lower part of your body, thighs and legs. This increases blood flow to your pelvic area and stomach, due to which bowel movement and digestion.
Sit in the descent bend. Your knees bring your left foot underneath your right knee. Struck your hand knee directly on top of left wrist and the right arm above. To your hand behind the elbow. Simultaneously bring the left hand behind the back bend elbow. Interlock your hand behind the back. Breathe. Exhale. Lift your hands. Outcross your legs. Sit and listen. Repeat with the other leg. Benefits of Gomukha Asana. Gomukha Asana stimulates the kidneys and is helpful in reviving ailments like diabetes, high blood pressure. This is the benefits of Gomukha.
Yes, I understand. I am studying 10th class at Model School, Satyawada. Now I am doing Sarvanasana. This asana prevents thyroid problems and also ensures smooth blood flow to the heart without any strain by force of gravity. Thus, the Sarvanasana is good for the proper functioning of the heart and also prevent palpitation.
I am doing Supta Pavanmukha. For this asana, we have to lie down on the ground and fold the leg at the knee and raise the leg and head simultaneously. Try to touch the knee to nose and slowly come back to the rest position. And repeat the same procedure to the another leg. And now I will tell you the advantages of this asana. It cures the acidity, it loses the weight, and it gives the flat stomach.